Pretend like it.
Action.
Okay. This is Pure Life water from Messed Up. It is so pure that not even backwash can be in it. Yeah. It comes from the purest lake of South Dakota in the United States. Now.
Hey, is that mine? I'm gonna need that water, you know. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Where's mine? Oh. Oh, anyway.
Just tap back on. Okay. So, pure water is so good. I mean, they put the cap on so tightly. See? Okay, wait, a little tighter. Alright. So they put on so
tight.
They usually put it on that tight. Not this time. But this one is really good. See? See? It's so good. So get some.